All right, so HLBZ is the only one that I really had on watch. There's really not much to watch today. ELMS, it's below 4 barely. Couldn't hold 4 when it broke there. 5-minute doesn't look too bad, but the daily is not my favorite. HLBZ, this is probably the best looking one coming into open. Daily's not great, but it's not bad either. Has a lot of room, I guess, and it still has room to its 20 EMA. This one just hit VWAP right now, and now it's popping back up. I do like the 5 and 10-minute setup on this one. Besides that, there's really nothing else hitting the scans. We got ZEV, and that one, I mean, it popped to VWAP kind of quick, and now it's back below. HLBZ, though, is the one to watch, I guess, because this is the only one that's actually making somewhat of a move here. I'm not feeling confident in this market right now, so I'm most likely just not gonna trade. And this one seems kind of choppy, and it seems pretty I don't know. It's slow mover and it's kind of choppy. So here it made a 15-cent move in this one candle, but it went to 75, then it's back to 65, 60, and then all the way back up to 74 right there. Just a random pop. Spread is, well, it can be pretty big depending on the move, but it's about 3 cents on average. So I just don't like the price action on this one. And outside of that, there's really nothing moving. So I'm probably just gonna cut this one really short today and stop at 9:45. I don't think I'm gonna wait it out any longer. Um, just so that way I have time to make the thumbnail and everything like that. Uh, I don't know. I'm not really confident in this one. It can probably make a move, but it makes these moves here and then it just drops. So really just choppy. I don't like the price action. I most likely won't trade this one. It's not easy to trade. So there's a super quick market order or flash or something to 4. And now it's all the way back down to 78. So I didn't even see that hit the ask. I only saw 85 on the ask. For some reason it hit 4 and now it's back down 73 now. 70. So I wouldn't even have had a chance to sell on that 4 or the whole dollar break. I don't even think it broke, but it did tap 4. I would have had to have had already had a market order there or some sort of limit order to stop me out at 4 or to get me out. But there's no way. Like that was just too fast. If anything, I could have got lucky on a partial fill, but even then I doubt it. So now you have this huge doji. Doesn't look really good. Doesn't look good at all, I'd say, on both the 5 and 10-minute. And just knowing this price action, how choppy it is, I'm not even wanting to touch the stock. It's not looking fun for me. So here's a potential second test of 4 here. See if they actually get the break. So from 90 all the way back down to 70, 75. So buying the dips on this one could be a potential entry, but because it makes a big move and then it pulls back just the same. I think this has potential to break 4, but I can't tell if this is just going to snap through 4 and then snap back down, or if it's going to actually try and hold its level. I like the way it's moving here. Hit a triple top right there. There's the break. 93. All the way back down to 82. Gonna break its 1 minute low. Okay, so there's the break. If it pulls back to VWAP here, well, either way, even if it comes to VWAP, the 5 and 10 minute looks so weak. It's not even funny at this point. And literally nothing else has hit the scans, so I think this is gonna be it for me right now. Probably, I think one of the shortest videos I've made, that's for sure. But there's just nothing moving. The market's so slow. Check the overall SPY. I don't know, you know, we're going back up, we're bouncing, but at the same time, it's like this market's so trash. It's really, really bad. But thankfully, I mean, the market's recovering to an extent. We're hitting our average. We hit the 200, and now we're popping back up. So it was a big, big drop, and now we're on the climb again. But oh man, this market's just not the market to be trading in for the long side, at least. Even the short side, like even if I was to short on this stock, would, you know, it's popping and dropping. I could say the same thing going the short side. Like, well, it's not holding its levels when you're trying to short it, because I mean, it's not. It's just going back and forth, back and forth. This one's just such a choppy stock. It's not even worth trying to trade it. And yeah, it could be a big move here pretty soon. Like on the 5 minute, we could short it, let's just say, and go for the 5 minute low break. And I see more momentum going that direction anyway, so potentially, but I don't know. But anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Nothing's going on, so hopefully tomorrow we see some more action. I can actually take some trades. I'm hoping we hit day 96 today. I'm hoping I can survive until day 100 in the accounts. That'd be really cool if we could. I'm sure we can, especially if I just don't trade, you know, these next couple days. I'm sure we can. But I would like to obviously survive a lot longer than day 100. I would like to actually grow the account. And right now I'm being real strict on myself on taking, you know, a quality setup type of trades. I don't want to take just random like that's why I wouldn't trade this one. I wouldn't gamble out on this one. Although there was some room or some potential in this stock, I'm not even gonna try and gamble it here because I just don't like this price action. So I don't know. If I'm not feeling it, I'm just not gonna trade, and that's the way it's gonna be. So anyway, I will definitely see you all tomorrow. But again, if there's no trades to make, I'm just gonna cut it at 9:45. So anyways, have a good day, guys. See you then.